time to get to work. Now that that's smooth, I can see where the weakness is. See? It's coming away when I step. I gotta sand all that down and re-glass it. It's really, really bad right here. That wood was helping to dispense the weight when you stepped. So now it's really weak. You can watch. See, it's pulling away. It's pretty bad. It always looks like it's going to be a simple fix. Just peel off the side of the glass that's peeling up and try to re-glass it. But it was so hard to try to get this glass off the side. Jeez Louise, you're huge. Nice walk, buddy. Shade on the boat. Melissa helped. So, I'm gonna see if it dropped the temperature in there at all. Seems like it helped quite a bit. It's not 100 or over. Well, the idea is a lot better. This section of the video is called "If You Got Long Legs, You Might As Well Use Them." Because I was struggling. At some point, I had to make a cutoff because peeling it off the side, it would pop the next section up. So I'd have to just keep peeling and peeling and peeling. So here I am, using them legs. Them New Balances came in clutch. I'm ripping out where the old bulkhead was, or the door at the bottom. And I have to sand it down so I can glass that part to the wall too. It was coming up easier than I thought, having to chisel that lip up just to try to make it flat before I sanded it. I was pretty surprised at how easily it finally took it. Here I am, first time fiberglassing anything. I'm probably doing it wrong, I'm sure I am. But since it's at a spot where I have to step, I took tiny pieces, soaked them in the resin, and overlapped them, one on top of the other, until I got to the end. It's just the first layer. And so I figured it'll be easier to do it this way, and hopefully stronger if I do another couple times like that before laying one wide piece. I don't know, it's a learning process. I guess I'll just see how it turns out. Hopefully good. This ain't gonna work. When they say you have a limited time to work with it before it stiffens up, they weren't lying, because I really have to work. I mean, I was using small batches, but yeah, I was kind of surprised on that. And that's it for that week.